Did you say online learning? Well, online learning has taken on a whole new entity unto itself. So we have ways of teaching electronics and mechatronics through online learning. This is one example. This is a motor control system. Now, obviously, we've got a forward and reversing contactor. We've got overloads. We've got an operator station. We have a step-down transformer, and we have a conveyor. So you can wire this and practice on it. You can see that as soon as I applied power, because I have this motor wired straight, this motor came on. We can wire in all these other components, and we have to get it correctly done, or we'll have errors on this system. So we can learn how to operate and control a three-phase motor. What else? Everything from bridge rectifiers and electronics, learning how to take a AC signal and change it into DC, to operating a single pole double throw switch. Here you can see two different lamps. I'm swapping power between the two lamps to supply the voltage to a particular lamp. As soon as I switch to the other lamp, that lamp starts to dim out. This lamp starts to come on. So more and more ways, more and more simulators. This is a PLC. This programming behaves exactly like a real world PLC. We're controlling this traffic light. All this code that's on the right is what goes into programming this traffic signal like you see every day when you're running down the road. So if you're thinking online learning, is it for me? It's just not hands-on. Look at this hands-on. There are scores of different types of simulations that we can work with in here. There's a door simulator. There are a silo simulator here. So just ways that we can put our hands on things virtually to control the world. So online learning is hands on at OFTC.